I just make over $12 today from a brand new platform that I discovered today. Yes, I just did it with my smartphone, no laptop, no stress. Do you want to know how? Watch this video till the very end, because I'm going to show you step by step on how I did it, and also withdraw. I'm going to withdraw live to show you that this platform is working. You understand? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Nikki, and every single day I am on the hunt for the best and easiest way to make you money online just with a smartphone. Like, I'm using my smartphone, so no need of laptop, stress, or whatever. So we are making use of smartphone with this platform. So if you are ready to start earning from the comfort of your home, make sure you hit the like, subscribe button, and join my community WhatsApp group for exclusive updates. All the links that I'm going to mention in this video are going to be on the comment section and description box below. So let's dive into the video right away. This is his platform. As you can see, I've already made $12, and I still have $10 that I invested. You understand? So I'm going to withdraw $12 right now in front of you to show you that this platform pays. So let me click withdraw. So you input your address, the amount you want to withdraw, and your security password. When you are registering, you put that password. Always remember it. And there is no withdrawal fee. There is no withdrawal fee. This platform is so sweet. So let's withdraw. I'll click confirm now. They wrote withdrawal success. So let's wait for them to drop it. Money have dropped. As you can see it. See my notification, and see my email notification, and see my Binance notification. You can see it now to show you that the platform is working. You understand? See their notification here. So if you want to get through to this platform, all you have to do is to click the link on my comment section and on the description box below. So if you click it, it will bring you here. You register your email, your login password, and security password. Please remember this is a security password, because that's what you will use and withdraw your money. They will ask you for this security password. Make sure you remember it. Okay. Once you register, it will bring you here. Once it brings you here, see, I still have I have $10 on my investment wallet. You can see it here. So you scroll up. These are the details that you needed to start earning on this platform. You scroll up. You see that I have $10, and the minimum date I can withdraw my capital is 28 days. But note that this $10 will be giving you 20% of the money every day, which is $2. You understand? Every 24 hours you'll be earning $2 with $10. You understand? You can do more than 10. You can do 100. All you have to do is to come here and click 100. You understand? You'll be earning $21 every day. If it is 200, you write 200. You'll be earning $44 every 24 hours, and which is good. So we only have $10 here. So once since I have the $10 here, all I have to do is to write the $10, scroll up, and click staking. So let me click the stake. You understand? You see, I've not invested it. Let me click stake now. Stake it so that you see to start reading. Let me click the stake here. So I will click it. Confirm stake. I did my own 51 days. You can do less than that. The lesser is 21 days. You understand? So if you want to minimize the own to 21 days, all you have to do is to go back 28 days. You understand? So, and also see what I will be getting every 24 hours is $2, and you can be withdrawing it. Minimum withdrawal is $1. You can be withdrawing it every single day. Every single day. You understand? All you have to do, if you want to deposit and start earning in this platform, all you have to do is to click this recharge, click it, you copy their address, or you scan this address. You scan this address or copy this address here. Once you copy it, you go to your Binance wallet, any wallet that you are using. Make sure it's TRC20 USDT that you pay into. You understand? So once you done recharging it, you come back here and click recharge complete. Once you click it, the balance will automatically, be on your dashboard. You get. Once it's on your dashboard, all you have to do is to go back and scroll up. Then you put the amount that you deposited. If it is $10, you put. If it is 20, if it is 30, if it is 100, you put it here. You get. Then how many days does you want it to last for? Is it 28 days? Is it 30 days? Is it 50 days? You do it here. You write it here. So, or you click this blue stuff here to go back. You understand? Once you are done with it, you come here and click stake. Once you click stake, it will start reading. So every 24 hours, you'll be getting $2, which you can withdraw on your Binance with your Binance account. You understand? Any crypto this thing account that you have, it is, if it is Binance or Trust Wallet or Bitbyte, anyone. So that's just it. It is very easy. You understand? As you can see, this is still my withdrawal proof. It's not, there's nothing fake here. You understand? So rush now and click the link on my comment section and start earning now. Note, this is not financial advice. Always invest what you can afford to lose. I'm simply sharing what I do online to earn my own money right now. If you found this video very helpful, very valuable, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to join our WhatsApp group, our community WhatsApp group. The link is down below. See you in my next video.